Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty isn't just skin deep, it's about understanding what truly works for you. Today, we're exploring a lipstick that promises bold color and long-lasting wear, the Rimmel Lasting Finish Lipstick in 264 Coffee Shimmer. Designed to deliver up to 8 hours of rich color, it features Rimmel's Color Protect technology and an exclusive black diamond complex aimed at giving your lips a subtle luminous glow. Let's see if it lives up to these claims. From the packaging to the first swipe, this lipstick feels like a carefully crafted formula. It's soft, creamy, and fully vegan, designed to glide smoothly over your lips in a single stroke. The Black Diamond Pigment Complex is meant to catch the light, giving lips a reflective, natural shimmer without feeling glittery or heavy. At 0.14 ounces, the size is compact, perfect for your makeup bag without feeling too small. Using it was straightforward. The lipstick applies evenly with minimal tugging or feathering. I found it comfortable for daily wear, no dryness, no sticky residue, just a silky, pigmented layer. The shade 264 Coffee Shimmer is a beautiful neutral with warm undertones, flattering across a wide range of skin tones. Over several hours, I noticed slight fading in the center of the lips after eating or drinking, but the outer edges held strong, keeping the shape and color intact. It's worth noting the texture really makes a difference here. The creamy formula allows for easy layering. One swipe for subtle elegance, a couple more for a richer, more dramatic look. The subtle shimmer is delicate enough to catch light without overpowering your overall makeup look, making it suitable for both day and evening wear. On the plus side, the pros are clear. Creamy, comfortable formula, long wear for casual daily activities, flattering neutral shimmer, vegan-friendly, smooth application. On the downside, if you're eating oily foods or sipping drinks frequently, you may need to touch up the center of the lips. And while the shimmer is elegant, it's not intense if you're looking for a high gloss effect. When we consider value for money, Rimmel consistently positions itself in the affordable category. For the quality of the formula, the lasting color, and the unique black diamond complex, this lipstick feels fairly priced. Comparing it to other mid-range drugstore options, the longevity and luminous finish put it a notch above standard matte or satin lipsticks. The packaging is classic and sturdy, with a solid twist-up mechanism that feels durable. For everyday use, you won't have to worry about the tube breaking in your bag. Since I haven't needed to interact with Rimmel customer service, I can't comment on responsiveness, but the brand has a strong reputation for accessibility and reliability. If you're curious about alternatives, Maybelline Color Sensational Shine Compacts or L'Oreal Color Reach Shine Lipsticks offer similar creamy textures and long-lasting wear, though they don't have the same exclusive shimmer technology. If you prefer intense shimmer, these might be a slightly less innovative option, but still very reliable for everyday use. In summary, the Rimmel Lasting Finish Lipstick in 264 Coffee Shimmer is a versatile, comfortable, and visually flattering lipstick. Its strengths lie in smooth application, lasting color, and subtle shimmer. The only minor caveat is the need for occasional touch-ups in the center after eating, but that's standard for many non-matte lipsticks. It's ideal for those seeking a natural, elegant glow with vegan-friendly ingredients and long wear. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the link to purchase this lipstick is in the description box below. If you've tried it already, share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.